These are the elevators here at the Revival Hotel in Baltimore, Maryland. We got some Otis Series M2s. Very nice cabs.
R level.
Here we are on the roof level. Guess this is like a restaurant and a lounge. Alright, let's go back down to one. Let me get a cab view. This is very nice. Very smooth, too.
First floor.
We'll take this for another ride. Judging by that door track, it looks like these used to have Series 1 fixtures. Very nice elevators. They're small, but that's expected in a historic building like this.
R level.
I need to get out and get a view up here. The view from up here is pretty nice. Stairs are in there. Look at that, you can see the original Washington Monument up here and some apartment buildings over there. Very nice. Oh, and that's the service elevator, but it's modded too. We're not gonna bother with that one. Maintenance is currently cleaning the bathrooms up. Alright, let's head back down. We're getting this one back. And we're gonna get off on one. Looks to be a pretty recent mod too. Probably Gen 2 mod.
First floor.
Here we are. And I'm gonna get off here. Well, there it goes.